Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. If you're looking for a simple and reliable trading method, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be sharing an easy 2-minute pocket option trading strategy that works even for beginners. Before jumping into live trades, I highly recommend testing this strategy on a demo account. Once you're confident, you can switch to a real account. For this strategy, we'll use two indicators, Bollinger Bands and the MACD indicator. Bollinger Band settings, period 6, deviation 1.2, MACD settings, fast period 8, slow period 20, signal period 8. So without wasting any time, let us understand the trading rules of this strategy through live trade. For a buy trade, when the blue MACD line crosses the red line and moves upwards, the MACD blue graph line starts forming above the zero line. The slope of all three Bollinger Bands is upwards. This is the perfect time to place a buy trade. For a sell trade, when the red MACD line crosses the blue line and moves upwards, the MACD red graph line starts forming below the zero line. The slope of all three Bollinger Bands is downwards. This is the perfect time to place a sell trade. Candle time frame will be 2 minutes, and expiry time will also be 2 minutes. Avoid using this strategy during news events. This strategy is suitable for all market trading sessions and can be used in both real and OTC markets. I hope the trading rules for this strategy are clear. But if not, don't worry. We're going to take live trades on different setups so you can see exactly how it works in real time. But before that, for those visiting my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable all notifications so you never miss any of my new strategies. I think we've almost secured a win on this trade. That's the beauty of sticking to a reliable strategy. But we're not stopping here. Let's move on and find another perfect trade setup to keep the momentum going. I've just entered a buy trade using our strategy. Here's why. The MACD blue line crossed above the red line and moved upwards. The blue MACD graph line was forming above the zero line. All three lines of the Bollinger Bands were sloping upwards. However, I made a small mistake. I entered the trade before the candle closed. That's not recommended, as it's crucial to wait for the candle to close to confirm the setup. So I'll wait for this candle to finish, and then I'll look to enter the trade again on the next candle. Patience is key. Great. This time, I've entered the buy trade correctly, following the rules of our strategy. Now, let's wait for the trades to finish and see how they turn out. Remember, trading is all about staying calm and sticking to your plan. Let's see the results. Fantastic! We've won this trade. This shows the power of sticking to a solid strategy. But we're not done yet. Let's move on and find another perfect trade setup to keep building on this momentum. I've entered a buy trade based on our strategy. Here's the setup. The MACD blue line crossed above the red line and moved upwards. The blue MACD graph line is forming above the zero line. All three lines of the Bollinger Bands are sloping upwards. Now, we'll patiently wait until the trade ends to see whether we win or lose. Remember, patience is a key element of successful trading. Let's see how this one turns out. Great news! We've won this trade as well. This is a perfect example of how following a proven strategy can bring consistent results. But we're not stopping here. Let's keep the momentum going and find another perfect trade setup. I've just entered a sell trade based on our strategy. Here's why. The MACD red line crossed above the blue line and moved upwards. The blue MACD graph line is forming below the zero line. All three lines of the Bollinger Bands are sloping downwards. Now, we'll patiently wait for the trade to end and see whether we win or lose. Let's see how it plays out. Unfortunately, we lost this trade. But remember, this doesn't affect our strategy. In binary trading, not every trade will go in our favor, and that's perfectly normal. Market conditions can change, and no strategy works 100% of the time. The key is to stick to the plan, stay disciplined, and keep moving forward. We'll continue with our strategy and keep looking for the next perfect setup. To recover from our previous loss, I've entered 2 buy trades following our strategy. Here's the setup. The MACD blue line crossed above the red line and moved upwards. The blue MACD graph line is forming above the zero line. All 3 lines of the Bollinger Bands are sloping upwards. We've increased our position size to try and recover the earlier losses. But remember, trading always carries some risk. Now, let's wait until these trades finish and see whether we win or lose. Fingers crossed for a positive outcome. We've won this trade as well. Today's trading session resulted in an amazing 6 out of 7 wins, which is excellent. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me and helps me continue creating high-quality content for you. And don't forget to share this video with your trading community. Remember, the power to succeed is in your hands. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep trading smart. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.